Hello traders, Jonathan Silver, Forex Flow Trading, July the 25th. Uh, want to look at, we had 5 of the 6 pairs trigger yesterday, but wanted to do this video kind of trade example as well as our new flow indicator is out, was released yesterday and is working. So want to give you a peek at that. Make sure it's see how we're working with the color codes. The the yellow levels are our current buy and sell zones of the current day. The crimson being the cap, and then our light blue levels are the previous day buy and sell zones, with the light pink being the cap from the previous day. So what happens is when I update the levels daily, it automatically adjusts on your chart, and so then the color, the yellow lines that adjust become the new levels, and then these yellow levels actually will become light blue, and that process just continues every day. That way you've got, because we kind of map it 24 hours, it gives you a reference point, from the 2 sets of levels. So no more having to read the emails, transfer it to your chart. It's automatically on there, which is a pretty cool feature. That said, let's do look at the email for the sake of these trades we're looking at. July 24th, 9:59 a.m. Yesterday. The CAD sell level is what triggered 102.23 to 41. We'll just run through all of these pretty quick since they all triggered. The Euro Yen, the buy levels 94.09 to 27. British Pound buy levels 154.57 to 74. The dollar Swiss sell levels at 99.57 to 76, and the euro dollar buy levels at 120.23 to 41. The odd didn't have a buy issue yesterday, so the sell, we had been in a swing trade from last week on the sell side. It cleared out at one of our targets, but no trigger on the odd yesterday as we didn't have a buy in it. Let's get back to the chart. We'll see here the euro yen. The buy levels yesterday, which the yellow is saying current day, but it's 6:30 Eastern in the morning, so I'll adjust these levels in about 2.5 hours as I do that at the start of the New York session, and that's when the levels adjust. 94, we'll see right here. Right here is where the new levels got adjusted for the day. So then by lunchtime, I believe, Eastern time, the market had kind of entered into the buy zone. Pretty much hung out there the rest of the day. They began to expand overnight. So whether you're the first or the second level or in the middle, and we see this light blue is actually yesterday's buy zone. So a very good trade to take in that 94.17 in the middle, and we have seen a move to the 95 handle. Definitely in the buy, in the target zone on that one. That's 80 pips or so. The euro dollar here. Wait while the levels adjust. I could tab every pair and already have the levels, but the good thing with the indicator too is you can just transfer the currency pair over, and then it'll adjust the levels. So here is euro dollar 120.41. Light blue, remember, is the day before, so pretty another good indication of taking the 41. And that one's actually seen over 100 pips on a bounce. If we're in the long trade, I'm probably going to get closer to New York and see where the new sell levels are. But it's definitely reached, our profit targets. Let's look at the dollar Swiss. 99.57 to 76. Again, previous day was 69, so doesn't matter. Nice trades on this. Again, in the 80 pip zone. And we can look at the 4 hour here. So you can see a picture of the 4 hour. What else we got? The British pound got triggered overnight. It's actually entered the, it's actually 74. I'd put 77 in, but either way, down to 67. And seen that 40 to 70 pip, target zone already off of that bounce. May see it farther from here. We'll adjust as we get a little closer to New York. In the last pair that triggered, dollar CAD. Here's that 23 to 41, almost exact the same levels as the day before. So, and again, hit that 40 to 70 pip target zone. May still run some, so we'll leave some on and see. But so pretty much release the indicator. The indicator is just a tool to help make it easier, kind of chop down on some of the work of having to read an email, transfer the levels to the chart. The flow levels is obviously what matters the most. So we're just trying to eliminate some work that's just work, and that's reading and transferring. So this tool will help do that. Kind of automatically puts the levels on your chart, and then you kind of trade off of them. So a great day trading the flow levels. Yesterday is 5 of 6 triggered, and the CAD's the one with the was the least amount so far, only being about 50 pips, and the euro being over 100 pips. So all the other pairs are in that range. So really good day trading, carrying some steel, and we'll adjust those in the New York session. Okay, guys. Until next time, good luck in the markets.